This is a page you already wrote, in the editor where you wrote it. Page Assist opens right on top of it, and it already knows what it is looking at. The whole page, 144 words. The work it can do is grouped into 7 categories: summarizing, refining, tone, structure, depth, translation, and search optimization. Choose tone and you choose the voice. Authoritative, empathetic, cheerful, professional, inspiring, sophisticated, passionate. There is no prompt to write. Picking the voice is the instruction. And that is your own page, rewritten in a professional voice. Your headings, your sections, your product in different words. Nothing has changed underneath. Add it to the page or replace the page. Until you press one, it stays a draft. And tone is only one of the categories. Switch to translate, pick French, and the same page comes back in French. Same structure and still the same 2 buttons.